Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial, where I will show you how to map your custom domain on BoldDesk. When you sign up, you will get a support portal with the domain example.bolddesk.com. However, for white labeling you may need to change the support URL to support.ucompany.com to make it look like it is part of your company website. Let's look at how to achieve this by using a custom domain feature. To map a custom domain, navigate to the Customer Portal Settings page in the Admin Center under the General Settings tab. Select the brand for which the custom domain should be mapped. The portal URL will be displayed. Then, click the Map Custom Domain button to change the selected brand's custom domain. Here, enter the custom domain in the dialog box that appears and then click the Update button to map the custom domain for your brand. Before clicking the Update button, ensure that you have added a CNAME entry in the DNS server settings page of the DNS provider, whatever your company is using, GoDaddy, Google, etc. You have to add a CNAME record, for example support.yourcompany.com pointing to sslproxy.bolddesk.com. Use only CNAME. Do not add a record entry. Use only a subdomain and not your root domain while adding a CNAME record. Your custom domain will be activated shortly. It may take up to 72 hours for DNS propagation. Until the custom domain is activated, you can use the default BoldDesk domain URL. And that's it. Stay tuned for more tutorials on BoldDesk features. Thanks for watching.